Hello there, welcome to Tiling with Geo. Today we're going to look at doing some paving. Here is a before and after shot of what it's going to look like. So we're just using a simple 200 by 200 concrete paver. First we'll assess the job site, see what levels we need to achieve. Have a look at the area. We've got obviously damp proof course under there which we want to stay underneath. Also we want to be below the concrete footpath that I have here on the side just next to the drain there, so we want to be below that. Tapped into the storm water to get rid of any water, and we'll lay some plastic out and we'll just go over the top of all this rubble. So what we're going to do is get a bit of fallout slightly out to away from the house, and then slightly to the stormwater drain. That hot water tank will be moved. I'm just going to go around it for now. I'll keep you posted on that. And over this side we have, that's where the water tank will go, just in there. Get it out of the way, get a bit more area, and this area will be covered. So here we go, lay the plastic out, get it ready for some cement, which I am preparing in the background. As you can see up here, I have a cement mixer and the sand is there. I'm doing roughly 15-16 shovels of sand to one bag of cement, which is roughly 3 or 4 to 1. So what I'm doing, I'm getting my levels, following the brickwork or underneath the brickwork, getting the screed out. There won't be any weeds coming through this. We've got plastic, we've got sand cement, and there's just no way the weeds are going to come through this. So we started laying, we're just going full off the house. It didn't quite work out to be full all the way. Something's a little bit unparalleled with the wall and the fence. But other than that, it went pretty smoothly. So then at this stage, I discovered that I laid them the wrong way because it's like a groove, and it kind of makes them look like they're in line better. So I decided to turn them around. So after I've done this is the second day. Continue our levels, go across, and it's a fairly dry to wet mix. The paver's sitting up fine, just a little tap of a rubber mallet. I didn't seem to have any issues at all. But then as again, along the side of the fence, I left out those ones to be cut in. It was still just a little bit out of parallel. And here is pretty much the finished product. So I've gone all the way along. As you can see, the hot water system's still there. We go around that, and that'll be moved up to here. I've gone all the way up, past that little wall section there, and I've built it up a little bit there. I'll say that grass area will be built up to stop water flow. So that's pretty much it for this vid. Quick little video, how to do paving. Please subscribe and enjoy. Take care.